Dove è l'Igokoro che ti fa fare nero?
My name is Rana Hamida, and I'm speaking on behalf of all the participants on Huga Yatta. If you're watching this video, then our boat has been attacked, or we've been intercepted by Israel and kidnapped. We are a non-violent humanitarian mission abiding completely by international humanitarian law. And we are appealing to all people around the world. Mobilize, put pressure on your government, and demand our immediate release and an end to the occupation. Free Palestine.
Free Palestine!